morning. Today in this class I'm going to teach you quadratic equations. It is chapter number 4, very important chapter. Definitely you are going to get one problem, 2 marks problem you may be getting, one MCQ. So there is every chance to have a question MCQ you may be getting, 2 marks question and even 6 marks question also. Okay, in the textbook very few problems are there and you need to have separate problems for practice. Okay, now let me directly go with the explanation. Very slow, my internet is very slow. So let me start quadratic equation. Let us understand first the definition. Any equation whose degree is 2, we call it as a quadratic equation. I will write in simple QE, quadratic equation. Any equation, okay. So any equation whose degree is 2, we call it as a quadratic equation. So quadratic equation in one variable. Let us have a standard form. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, only one variable is there. So highest power is 2, therefore degree is 2. So now a, b, c are real numbers. They are real numbers. You can have any value, and a is not equal to 0. So if a is equal to 0, x square term will get 0. Then you will get only linear equation. So if you want quadratic equation, x square term should be there. That is why this a should not be equal to 0. This is the standard form. So now solution of a quadratic equation. So you have in different methods, 2 methods are there. One is a factorization method. How to solve factorization method, and formula method. Formula method is removed from the syllabus. Now you have only factorization method. So there will be 2 solutions for any quadratic equation. 2 solutions will be there. Sometimes this solution also called roots of the equation. So roots of the equation and solution of the equation both are same. So how to, now let us go into the exercise, that means problems. First you should identify, in the first exercise he has given identify the quadratic equations. Check whether the given things are quadratic equations or not. Let me start 4.1 exercise. In the 4.1 exercise, first question is check whether the following are quadratic equation or not. So you have to check whether the given things are quadratic equation or not. So step how to what does it, you just understand only one thing, they have to bring it to the standard form. Whatever the equation is given, you have to bring it to the standard form. Standard form contain only three terms, that means ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You have to bring whatever the form is given, that is to be brought into the standard form. That means only three terms should be there and is equal to 0. So now if you take, there are 8 bits in this. If you take x plus 1 whole square, first bit I am doing x plus 1 whole square 2 into x minus 3. So now this is not in the standard form. Okay, there is a whole square, left hand side whole square, right hand side also x terms are there. It is not in the standard form. You have to bring it in the standard form. So left hand side you have to apply a plus b whole square formula, because it is whole square. A plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula you have to apply. I will apply directly here. So x square 2ab, 2 into x into 1, 2x plus b square, 1 square is 1. And right hand side bracket is there. Please remove the bracket. 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 3, 6. Now bring all the terms to one side, and x square term is only 1, and x term left hand side one term is there, right hand side also there is one more term 2x, and constants left hand side 1 is there, right hand side minus 6, it will become plus 6 is equal to 0. So then what happens? Plus 2x minus 2x will get cancelled. So finally you will be getting x square plus 7 is equal to 0. Now is it, if you compare this with the standard form, yeah, it is degree 2. Okay, x term is missing, no problem. So then it is in the ax square, say bx plus c. If you compare this, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. There is no x term, and c is equal to 7. So it is a quadratic equation. Okay, you don't need to write these things. Just I have explained you. Okay, so whatever the form is given, you have to bring it to the standard form and then identify and decide whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Okay, so now in this almost all the questions are like that. There are 10 bits. If the degree is not 2, degree is above 2, degree is below 2, then it is not a quadratic equation. Understand that degree is the highest power of the variable. Now I will do one more question for you. I will do just 8th bit for you. X cube, when you are copying it into your book, you have to be very careful. X cube minus 4x square minus x and plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. So here it is also not in the standard form, but left hand side q formula is there, a minus b whole cube formula. So a minus b whole cube formula is nothing but a cube minus b cube, okay, plus 3ab square minus 3a square b. This is the formula for a minus b. So left hand side I am not doing anything, as it is I am just keeping it because it is already in the simplest form. So right hand side I have to open the bracket, a minus b whole cube x cube, a cube minus b cube minus 2 cube means 8 plus 3a square b, 3x square into 2, 6x square, and minus 3a square b, sorry 3ab square minus, here I have written wrong, 3 into x into b square is 4, 12x minus 3a square b. So 3, 4 to the 6x square, 6x square. Okay, I have interchanged these two, no problem. So here I have written x square, it is not x square, it is x cube. Now both sides x cube is there, cancel. Now bring all the terms to one side. So minus 4x square, right hand side plus minus 6x square. If it comes to the right hand side, it will become plus 6x square. Next x terms, left hand side minus x is there, right hand side plus 12x, it will become minus 12x. Left hand side only one constant 1 is there, right hand side minus 8 is there. If it comes to the left hand side, it will become 8 is equal to 0. So after simplification, you will be getting like this. So then it is the degree is 2, highest power is 2, therefore it is a quadratic equation. So finally you have to bring it to the standard form and then check whether the degree is 2 or not and then decide it. So I hope you can do all the rest of the problems by yourself. Now let me go to second question. Second question, represent the following situations in the form of a quadratic equation. Story problems, word problems. Okay, word problems you have to be very careful. Most of the students are having problem with word problem because by the time they listen to this word, they will get tension. So in the tension, they forget everything. Very simple. You just read the sentence one by one and then write it. Area of rectangle. Rectangular plot is there. I use in simple area of rectangular plot is equal to 528 meters square. I am writing in short. First sentence is over. Next sentence. The length of the plot, that means L, length of the plot I have written in short is means is equal to 1 more than twice of the breadth. Twice of the breadth, 2 into breadth plus 1. So it is 1 more than twice of the breadth. So now you keep anything as x. Let me take b is equal to x. Then L is equal to how much? It will become 2x plus 1. So now area of plot formula, L into b is equal to 5 in 528. Okay. Then L is 2x plus 1 and breadth is x is equal to 528. So then 2x square, open the brackets, bring it in the standard form. That is why in the first question standard form problems are given. So x minus 528 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. The same problem can be asked, find the length and breadth or find the perimeter. In this question he did not ask us to find out, we need to find length and breadth of the plot. So we need to find the length of the, so he asked us only to keep it in the general form, such quadratic equations. So we got it, right? So very simple, no need to get worried about these word problems. Let me do second question also for you. Second question. The product of two consecutive numbers are given 306. Consecutive positive integers. So consecutive, if one number is x, another number is x plus 1. Consecutive, one after the other. Okay. So good morning. So x and x plus 1. Product is x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. So you just bring it to the standard form. X square x minus 306 is equal to 0. Now we got the quadratic form. Okay. Mansi, Gautam, good morning. So the same question can be for 4 marks. Find the numbers. So here he did not ask find the numbers. If it is find the numbers, you have to solve the quadratic equation, because solving the quadratic equation did not cover before this exercise. After this exercise, solving the quadratic equation is given. That is why you just leave it like that, because he asked us to bring it to the quadratic equation form. We brought it. Okay. So now let me go for third question for you. Rohan's mother is 26 years old than him. Older than him. Rohan's mother is this third question, third bit. Okay. Now I'll write in Rohan's mother. Rohan's mother is equal to 26 years older than him. That means Rohan age plus 26. Okay. And then product of their ages. Product is equal to product of their ages is 3 years from now will be 360. Product of their years 3 years from now, then after 3 years. After 3 years, you have to be very careful. These age problems are very, very important. Will be 360. And this is after 3 years. After 3 years. You have to remember. This is present. Okay. Now present, let us see Rohan is x. Rohan's age is x. Then Rohan's mother age is, as per the equation, x plus 26. These are the present ages. So after 3 years, Rohan will become, x plus 3. You have to add 3 years. Bhakti, hi, good morning. And then Rohan's mother will become x plus 26. This is present age plus 3 years. So it will become x plus 29. Now we got both ages. So the product is equal to, I am going to do fourth after this fourth question. So the product is equal to x plus 3 into x plus 29. So product is given as 360 is equal to x plus 3 and x plus 29. Now it is not in the standard form. I will directly bring it in the standard form. X square plus 32x plus 57 minus 360 is equal to 0. Okay, so now if you simplify this, what happened? X square 32x 360 minus 57 303 is equal to 0. Maybe small mistakes will be there. So this is the quadratic equation. So the entire problem, a very, very important question. Age problems are important, stream problems are important, as Bhakti needs fourth question. Fourth question is train and distance. Speed problems are also very important. So now let me go to fourth bit. as Bhakti asked. Fourth question. Okay. A train travels a distance of 480 kilometers. Let us write in short. So distance is equal to 480 kilometers. Okay. Don't read the whole problem. You just write the data whatever is given and then understand it. So distance is equal to 4 kilometers. Remember the units. If it is kilometers, that is distance. If the speed had been 8 kilometers less, then it would have taken 3 hours more than same distance. Now here also there are two. Actual condition. This is special condition. What is actual condition? Speed is speed only. Speed is x. Then time is equal to 480 by x, distance by speed, which is equal to 480 by x. Okay. So then this is actual. Then what happens special condition? For both the condition, distance is same. Now speed only changed. So speed changed. What is the speed? If the speed had been 8 kilometers less, that means x minus 8 kilometers. Less than what is given actual. So x minus 8. Then it would have taken 3 hours. Then time, how much it will become? 3 hours. Okay. Find the speed of the train. Okay. So here what happened? Distance by speed is equal to 3 and distance is 480 and it is x minus 8. Okay. So then so 8 kilometer. So this is what is the special condition. Okay. So then find the speed of the train. Speed of the train is very simple. You just cross multiply it, you will be getting the speed of the train. Okay. So this is how we have to complete it. So for now I will be taking you because I have to go to the next class. So